This is Dumbass. You know, it's your host Shane Young. This is the refrigerated tour. Follow me, and we'll see what's inside the refrigerator. Come on, roll with me. Now, this made this look like a ordinary refrigerator, but we're gonna see what lies deep inside. Soda upon soda, 2-week-old chicken. Let's see if it still tastes any good. I'm gonna open this mug up. I'll eat that tomorrow for dinner. Now, even though we have bottles of soda, we're gonna take a deeper look inside the refrigerator. We have the ordinary 2 weeks ago. Rotten cheese that we bought a month ago. And of course, when I like to, have little parties, a good, nice, cold, chilling beer. Now, what is down here, everybody? Oh, dirty, nasty ass vegetables. Dirty stuff. Now, these eggs we probably bought a month ago, and there's still a lot in there. As you can see, they stink like shit probably. But yeah. So even though this is kind of a big refrigerator, it's not that all big good deal because we have the very own freezer on side of this. Now we like 2-week-old. I don't even know what this is. I mean, maybe red margarita or something. Some ice, old-time ice cream that I probably don't even eat. Some Tony's pouches. Be lazy. Last but not least, we have your original product that's pretty very, very old. Now, even though we were reporting live in the refrigerator tour, this is Dumbass, and I'm Shane Young.